A soccer ball of mass 43 kgs leaves the foot of a footballer with an initial speed of 25 meters per second. So at the moment it leaves the foot, it's moving at 25 meters per second. But it was at rest before kicking off. Initial velocity is 0. After kick off, the final velocity is 25 meters per second. Given that the ball was initially at rest and the time of contact between the ball and the foot is 3 milliseconds, calculate the impulse imparted to the ball by the foot. So item A, we adjust from saying impulse is equals to change in momentum. But change in momentum is the same as mass times final velocity minus mass times initial velocity. Because change in momentum, it's final momentum minus initial momentum.
Yes.
If we're good in math, we factor out m, we remain with v minus u. That's the equation for impulse. So what is the mass of the ball? 0.43 kgs. What is the final velocity? 25. What is the initial velocity? 0. And what are we going to get from the calculator? So it's 10.75 Newton seconds. This is the impulse. Now part B says the force exerted on the ball by the foot. We go back to the equation for impulse, which says impulse is force times time taken for the force to act. But here they want the force we found the impulse. So we can safely say divide this side by delta t, divide this side by delta t, and we remain with force is equals to impulse over change in time. What is the impulse? 10.75. We are from calculating it. What is the time? 3 milliseconds. Milli is 10 to the power negative 3. So we convert milliseconds to seconds. What are you getting?
3583
3583 newtons.